Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal quick oats. Start by measuring 1 cup quick oats in 2 cups water or milk. Bring liquid to a gentle simmer, stir in oats, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes while stirring. Remove from heat, let rest for 1 minute to thicken, then finish with salt, butter, or sweetener to taste for a cozy bowl. To boost flavor, use simple additions that meld with the oats quickly. Mix in a pinch of salt and your favorite spice like cinnamon during cooking. Fold in mashed banana or applesauce for sweetness, or stir in nut butter for richness. Add fresh berries, chopped nuts, or a splash of milk on top right before serving. These little changes make a fast bowl taste like it took longer to prepare. Timing controls texture, so keep a steady eye while cooking quick oats. Use a 2:1 liquid ratio and adjust by tablespoons to reach desired thickness. Stir just enough to prevent sticking, but not so much that the oats break down completely. Once you remove the pot from heat, let the porridge sit for about 1 minute to thicken and settle. Then add final toppings and enjoy while warm for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.